It is a beautiful, sunny, and partly cloudy day. Peppa and her family are in the car and they are visiting Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig. When they arrive, they get out of the car. The grandparents welcome them at the door. Peppa is so excited to see her grandparents that she shouts, jumping up and down with joy, "Granny Pig! Grandpa Pig!" George tries to say the same thing, "Gangy IG! Papa IG," but he is too little to speak properly. Granny Pig greets them, "Hello, my little ones. Come inside, we have a surprise." Peppa asks curiously, "What is it?" Granny Pig reveals the surprise. "We have a new pet. Can you guess what it is?" George makes a guess. "Dinosaur?" Grandpa finds it funny and laughs. "No, it's not a dinosaur. Come and see." The whole family goes in. The surprise is a pet parrot. It squawks when it sees them, making a loud and sharp noise. Granny Pig introduces the pet to them. "Peppa, George, this is our pet parrot. She's called Polly." She gets closer and calls out, "Pretty Polly." The parrot imitates what she has just said, "Pretty Polly." They are surprised, exclaiming, "Wow!" Granny Pig says another sentence. "I'm a clever parrot." And the parrot repeats again her sentence. Peppa wonders why Polly copies whatever they say. "Mommy, why does Polly copy everything that Granny says?" Mommy explains, "That's what parrots do. I'll show you." Her mother goes to Polly and says, "Hello, Polly." It copies what Mommy has just said. Mommy Pig says, "What a sweet little parrot." Polly copies what she has just said again, and the whole family finds it amusing. Granny Pig invites them to the kitchen. "Come on, everyone, tea time." Everyone leaves, but Peppa and George are still looking at the parrot admiringly. Granny Pig calls them, "Peppa, George. Come on, there's chocolate cake." Peppa answers, "Coming, Granny." The second they hear it, they run to the kitchen.